Hello and welcome to Mysterious Mystical Moments. My name is Lisa and I am going to teach you how to make mummies for your mommy. Now, all you will need is an empty toilet paper roll, or if you don't have that, you can use a big paper towel roll. But when you use the big paper towel roll, you'll have to cut it down, of course, because you only want a small mummy for your mommy. You can use some toilet paper, just like 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 squares is enough. Now either you can tear it apart like this and kind of crunch it up and take and wrap it around your toilet paper roll, because you're making the mummy's wrapping. Now, you can either use tape. What I like to use, and this will help, either you can use this, your toilet paper, or what I like to use is this paper tape. It's what it's called, paper tape, masking tape. And what you do is you take the masking tape, see how it's kind of yellow? And you wrap it around your toilet paper roll. Now I noticed that a lot of places don't have mummies. And I collected a lot of things for the last 40 years. I've been collecting animated stuff. And what you do is you put it at the top first. And that's your head, of course. You leave space for the eyes, so all you gotta do is put your finger like this, and measure it out. Make sure you have space for the eyes, the nose and the mouth, of course, because mummies don't have their noses and mouth wrapped up. And then you just take your tape, like I said, it's really easy to do. Take your tape and just kind of wrap it around your toilet paper roll. And there you have a mummy. Now, what else you can do is you take a marker, and of course your mummy needs some eyeballs, and you draw a face on it. Now you can make a scary mummy, or you can make a happy mummy. Put the eyes on. And a mouth. The mouth. And you can put a little dot in the middle for a nose. Or a line. See? And there you go. You have your toilet paper mummy roll. A mummy for the mummy. And you can use your fingers and make it a puppet. Now when you use toilet paper, of course you want to maybe just put it all in one roll, but when the mummies have, mummies are wrapped up. That kind of looks silly, right? You can use a glue for glue stick, and you wrap it around. And you can use strips of it, however big strips you want. to make. Just cut strips. And if the kids are doing this, of course, you don't really want them to use scissors. They can tear it. If you're doing it with your kids, you can make strips as big as you want. And you take and you wrap it around the toilet paper holder, the roll. And glue it down with your glue stick or glue, whatever you have. You can also glue on top first. That way your toilet paper sticks to whatever it clicks on. Here's your glue. And then you take your toilet paper roll and you just wrap it around. Now it don't have to be straight, it don't have to be perfect, because mummies are not perfect. And just keep on wrapping it around. I'm going to trim off the top part because the mummies are wrapped pretty good. Glue your piece down like this. Your tail or whatever you want to call it. And draw your eyes and your nose and your mouth on it. And that's how you make mummies out of toilet paper. Take it. I'm going to draw some eyeballs on this one. My mummy's going to be sleeping. Little nose and a mouth. See? And that's your mummy. And those are your crafty stuff that's real easy and fast to do, and children from all ages can make them. Have fun with your creations. Do whatever kind of crafts you want for the holidays, just to keep the time going before the big trick-or-treat night. Thank you for watching. May you share some kindness and shine your inner light for those in the dark.